Good morning, student. Today in Maths for class 4, we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Addition. Before starting a new chapter, may I just remind you that you should have completed your holiday homework, and along with that, whatever the topic we are going to discuss, this is the topic of your first term examination, right? So let's start the new chapter, that is addition. Addition is one of the easiest chapter, and you are already doing it since from KG1 or KG2, but the addition has modified into a tougher part. Tougher in a sense, earlier you were doing one digit number addition, two digit number addition. Since this is class 4, so it will be a 5 digit additions or large number additions, but rules are same. You have to start the additions from ones place, then you have to move to tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. Just for example, this is a revision part, exercise 4a. This is a large number. Why we are saying that this is a large number? Because it goes to numbers goes to more than 1000. Unit, 10, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? So the first rule of addition is that you should always start the addition from ones place. So here, what is the ones place? This is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000. So no need to give you the explanation. It is already you people are knowing this one. So whenever we are doing the addition, we should start from ones place. So 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. So write 0 here and 1. So whenever we are doing the addition part, when we used to write 10, here also the ones place will be in the just written in the down, and this 1 जो टेंथ प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट रहता है, it will be goes to carry forward. This will go as a carry forward. So never be do mistake. Many times children, what the children do, if the number is 45, what they do, they write 4 in the down and they carry 5. So this will be wrong. You should remember that ones place always written in the down in the answer part, and the tens place will move to the carry forward. So here, what is the carry forward? It is 8 plus 2, 10. So we will write 10, 0 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1, you should start with 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. So again 0 and 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Again 0, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. So write 3 here, 1 here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer will be 43,000. I think it's very easy. It's a revision part. Let me do another sum so that you can easily understand. Let's do E sum. Okay. So I have told you the rule of addition. It should start from the ones place. So here the ones place is 2 and 6. So let's add 2 plus 6, that is 8. Write 8 here. 0 plus 9. So anything added with 0 will be the same number. So 0 plus 9 will be 9 only. 5 plus 7. How much 5 plus 7? That is 12. So write 2 here, 1 here. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 9, that is 11. 1 here, 1 will be carried. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8, that is 8. Hope you have understand these two sums. These two sums are very easy. The other sums are also very easy. Just concentrate whatever the rules ma'am is telling you. Start from ones. Whenever you carry, you start adding that carry forward also. Okay. Now second number. Recall the properties of addition and fill in the blank. There are some properties of addition which is very important. first of all, we have done this type of sums in class 3 also. So this is just a little bit higher side or tougher side. Whenever you are getting this type of fill in the blanks, you just remember there is a marks which is here, that is very important, equal to. So what is the meaning of equal to? Equal to means both of the sides are equal. Understand? If this is banana, this is also banana. If this is apple, this is also apple. So just think they are equal means both the sides should be equal. For example, just see 415 plus 28,215 equal to how much? It should be written here. So what will be the sum of this? It should be the sum of this also. I am giving you a small example in a simple digits, then we will move to this one. Just see, I am giving you an example. If just understand the concept, so it will help you in this doing these sums. If I am having 2 plus 1 equal to 1 plus what? So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. And here what is there? Here the sign is equal to. Equal to sign means here we should put 3 only. Then both 3 and 3 will be equal. If we are putting here 4 or 1, it will be not equal. Understand? So 1 is already here. So what we are going to put it so that it will be equal to 3. 1 plus 2. Then only 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now I am just giving you this concept in Hindi. Please try to understand. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 2 नंबर लिया. 2 plus 1 कितना होता है? 3 होता है. अब यहाँ अगर हमारे पास बोला जाए कि ये फिल इन दी ब्लैंक्स भरो, तो दोनों इक्वल टू का साइन का मतलब क्या होता है कि दोनों के दोनों साइड सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ तो मेरे पास क्या आ गया? 3 आ गया. यहाँ 3 आया नहीं ना, यहाँ तो 1 ही है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे क्या डालेंगे कि ये 1 plus 2 कितना होगा? 3. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 2 डालेंगे, तभी ये 3 होगा. ये अगर ये छोटे कंसेप्ट में समझ में आ गया, देन वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट इन अ bigger concept. For example, the sum says 415 plus 28,215. So here what is already given? 28,215. So here 28,215 is already given. So what is left? 415 is left. So just write 415. Understand this sum? The same way, do question number C. Here also you have to do the same now. Just check. 21,218 is already there. 21,218 is already there. 782 is already there. 782 here is also. So what is left? This number is left. So we just put this number this side, so that both the side will be equal. Again in the question number C, 49,007 plus 7,550 plus 22,681. So what we are having? This is total sum. It should be equal to this side also. So here 22,681 is already given. Both sides are having. 7,550 is already given. Okay, very nice. Then what is left out? Only 49,000. So what we are going to write it here? 49,000. Only 49,000. Okay. So both are the same. Understood? Now F. I told you one concept or one properties of addition is that whatever we are adding to 0, it should be the number should be 0. If we are adding 9 plus 0, it should be 9. 10 plus 0, 10. 4 plus 0, 4. So 41,442 plus 0 equal to how much? It will be the same number. So just write 41,442. Very easy. Easily to understood. So these fill in the blanks, they are F number fill in the blanks. I have solved 1, 2, 3 sums. So another 1, 2, 3 sums should be solved by you people. Now let's see the question number 3. Arrange in ascending order and then add. First we have to, so there are two things they are asking. First they are asking us to arrange in ascending order, then they are asking us to add. Okay, so let's do there is F questions. So we are going to, ma'am is going to do 3 sums and you people are going to do 3 sums. Let's do A, D and F. Okay, and B, C, E will be done by you, but it should be done in notebook. So take out your notebook. Ma'am is writing on her board. You will note down whatever the ma'am is writing in the board. Okay. Okay children, the question A is 2,275 plus 24,567 plus 875. So there are two things we have to do. First we have to add, put in a ascending order, and then we have to add. So ascending order, what is the meaning of ascending order? Means putting the digit in an order in which the smallest will come first and the largest will go in the last. So in these 3 digit numbers, in three numbers are there, which one is the lowest one? 875. So ascending order, what we are writing first? 875 plus, so after 875, which one is the lowest? 2275 plus 24,567 is the highest one. Now we have to do what we have to do? We have to add. So what we will start? We will write first of all 875. Make a lines here like ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it will easy for you to put the numbers around according to their place value. 875, now 2275, now 24,567. What is the sign of add? Cross, plus sign, right? 5 plus 5 plus 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So write 7 here, carry 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 1 here, 2 here. 2 will be carry 1. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 2. So what is the answer? 27,717 is the answer. Note down the answer fast. Now in the same way, we are having question number D. There are 3 numbers are there. Which one is the lowest one? 3000, write ascending order, 3908 plus, now this is 70,090, this is 98,236. Which one is the lower? 70,000. So write 70,090 plus 98,236. So now addition time, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So ones place, this is 3,908 plus 70,090 plus 98,236 plus, now let's add. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Write 4 here, carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So what is the answer? 1,72,234. Just note down this question answer in your copy. Okay children, now let's do the last sum, that is question number F. Okay children, question number F says 56,065 plus 70,009 plus 65,008. So which one is the, when we are arranging in the ascending order, which one is the lowest one? 56,065. So then write 56,065 plus 65,008 plus 70,009. I have written like that. You note down fast. Now the part addition part. Addition, we just put the digits like that: 56,065, 65,008, 70,009. So 5 plus 8 plus 9 is how much? 5 plus 8 is, first say what is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. So write here 2 and we are carrying 2 here. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. We have written 8 here. 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11, 1 here, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. So the answer will be 1,91,082. Note down then the answer, and this way we have completed exercise 4A. More or less I have touched all the sums and all the type of sums and all the 3 sums in each section. So other left out sections should be done by you people in your classwork copy, in your maths copy. Note down fast. Thank you children. Have a nice day.